Aha, I attention TV so some koso Ghana memo. And ye debe some more attention TV so busia. And then Kelvin Teller edit send me about one thing. Ebe kaya and I says I won't say Bridget Otoo. Nano women in that on kunu ebo mo what time not say or jere any kunu. Na in some PF ni na say e kamia koye say Abranta Bridget Otoo ewa we ye no abajua bia na oye juma ewo TV3 aye yi ne di abena kokko ai ne ex-boyfriend na sensemfo for esanso eba bontia which match say e kamia koye say Bridget Otoo ni kunu no krampo no oferia ma ne ni kura wu ama ontimi kra ema ne jibe Bridget Otoo peg anase kiss kra ewo ni pem we ana Kelvin Taylor aba bontin aba react a which match say e kamia koye say Ghana memo ha say no ensem adokro yen enye social issues ye ba no political issues a say enkwala edasoko school enyase ya utility bills and yen say bebre ye hu enka so bia hware ana ekoka ho asem ye so be kai sem Mona4Real ekopie mu so obi man so ekoye show enkofo eye comment na to achia sebe and then sem bebre wasanso all your reaction na e de afa ho yenko ne enko take Kelvin Taylor embassy.
And the Udru Ghana, Ubemus and the Obiania Bre discuss the say I Bridget Otoo a wedding and Nikuno or shy at a point Nikuno being shy no he refused to give her a peg or kiss her into a economy near owning in our problem no those times are not your problem dear near to me discuss you and then Kwasiaphobia Jai Ghana problem and Bridget Otoo and then Nikuno Mawarena they are happy no that is their topic of the day. Mo Jimmy na mama margin briefly ebi mo Jimmy dodo Bridget Otoo yate say and Bridget Otoo ka say bema ontimi wash dishes okay omo washing machine how na say a dishwasher how na say they say Bridget Otoo kunu no or doctor wa ohun chansim o so anya chansim akoto machine o ohun chansim dia na abaye unkura sesem no mo dia mo to kuro nim da kusie sam ne don sam asama ba na ebe hian mo hwe bia dollar na nam me catch them say on the 26th of August the dollar is going to cross the 10 and the dollar now I got 20 pesos and I got 2 pesos they do 10 Ghana cedis. Realistically when you go into the market you go krum that's how per dollar to over 10 Ghana inti momien for ya adwene brefie ne enja jimi no inti mesramo mo amode Bridget Otoo asem na abaya asem Bridget Otoo aware onini kunu na te so mo be huru nchense mo it is not your problem na da ho no amanfo nya adwuma anye ekuro no akronfo ne diso ekufuado waye enkwasiade ma esi ose kanenim asofo mo kuro no omo nka no kre omo ana first no omo kasa na asem si omo nyina esi omo dane mampam reverend mate enchobewu jimi onka no kre and some way na ose kan yesesa nyomahwa so share and they atoto to utility bills and ye ba betu nsuom ye ba betu lightim ye te ha discuss Bridget Otoo awaware a ode ne kruti dem sisi o mo discuss say yesi ano honeymoon kra yenye sisi ano se ntwen kakra yesi awdwene say wajimi wajimi I saw something so I think the Ghanaians no bibi ba mo so we need to talk to you people Mr. S I saw something about Ghana for New York City you say Tvgh echo performer and me Tvgh me nim that I think say no me hu that oh my brabo I've never met her now the issue is baby say me can't say me it is not easy for Ghanani Oba to say I have passion for this and I want to do it. It is not easy. Emilia Brobe, she tried singing. The way you people, for all you know, people do these things to be happy. For all you know, people do these things at the end of the day, some inner talent, they want to exhibit it. It is nothing. Now, me who be on social media, people are just ridiculing the girl or the lady, all because they feel say her looks does not please them. And I keep telling Ghanaians that more abrochire say any Ghana for movie say munjai sa jimi no sadia no emboamo the way you people run down your countrymen especially mo amutu kwan kakra kwa abrochire no Tvgh I don't know her experience but from what I know moving from US to come live in Ghana Obabia yo hu imbabe broma ba Ghana omo be settle Ghana no everything about them died But you could see that this girl still has the potential. Say she's not going to make what people say about her, no, destroy her. She's still pursuing it. You won't conform to Ghana to 36 years, 46 years. They have not been able to perform in the United States, in New York, nowhere. Or no opportunity. So I keep telling Ghanaians, say, Adena, mo shada. You just want to mess people up. What do you get from it? What do you get? Say, this lady is beautiful than her. Inti, it can't be asono, the baby, any pa na mugu social media mose hajia for real akoye say her looks any other day 99% no way for chem. We are not supposed to be sitting here and doing this. We are supposed to be sitting here encouraging each other, making sure the politicians we pay our taxes to, no, they do what we want for us. And your politicians and commuting kwasasem wo Ghana and kan fa uji mimba betena bro chire men de otwitwi ponko bi sen bro ni bi ko toilet out home 6 months na unko fie nkoda wo mpaso. These are things that majority of the people don't want to get involved in, but be binti na manfo tu kwan inti. At least when you see these kind of things, encourage people. Adena mo yesa. There are so many artists in America how many banchire at the end of the day your artists of Ghana are better than them. And so Ghana news a Ghana near kujina stage in America and ya or say blogger kwasi ampenyi. I a friend of Mona, right? Son of Bitro. Mona. I just for the deals for Mona. And I saw this, I was like, what's the fuss about this? Why are you people kunipa spirits? Guys, munjai sadia, no, it's very, very important. And you guys why you guys should start learning how to help Ghanaians. You guys, thank you, Mr. D. You guys should start Munsia Sadi Nibi. Obeko Bronx, and Chin, some of them, about 90% and Chin, Omunko Winim. Minimobia Kotina Bronx, 23 years, on common Hattenda. Oni bronin din commander, emusa opportunity, ending common how he or she can connect with other people. Bebrego. I said on patro for no, give us 10 Ghana, give us $10, Sano Mugo, and so be bad. I'm not the first to destroy people. How many people can even stand in their own room and perform to their brothers and sisters and even their husbands? So many people don't have that courage. I don't know what to say. Dear Japan, sir, a man of Google Europe no. About 2 hours, 2 hours, 2 hours no. Omo mudin kwasi asempa. Omo ko 2 hours no number 10 minutes we no a video. 10 minutes we no a video. En kwasi ade sa. Na obi na ka say kokotena Germany na maso nyashi. Obi na ka che kotena Europe na otontete. And ye o pass sa onyoma na kotena Ghana. It's important. Moya sade na che. There's so much talent. So many people who have so much talent in Ghana. They don't even want to talk. They don't even want to pursue it. I didn't say champagne be. I could try baby say, "Oh, you're waiting. You're good anymore." Why are you people like that?
It was a fuck Kevin tell an reaction. But they are by their Bridget Otoo and the Mona4Real and I never saw more attention TV. So, University Foundation and as soon as number did you made ever so more attention TV. So the number and is 054 8302985.